wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Noah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Woo! Where's Olivia? Is that the question you're asking me? I know, Olivia's not here today. She's not feeling so good. But hopefully she'll be better soon, right? Today, it's just me and my piggy bank right there. Right, Piggy Bank? Do you say anything? No, you don't say anything. Because what does a piggy bank do? It deposits money. It keeps money safe. It has an opening right on top and an opening on the bottom. So if I have money, I put it in there, save it, and if I need to use it, I open the bottom up and take the money out. So what type of money can we put in there? Well, we can put quarters and nickels and dimes and pennies. Do you know what those four names stand for? No? Okay, so how about I teach you? A penny is a 1 cent piece, and a nickel is a 5 cent piece. A dime is a 10 cent piece. And a quarter is, it's 25 cents. Whoa! 25 cents seems like a lot of money, right? No, because there's even more money we can put in there. But those are dollar bills, right? So we have a $1 piece and a $5 piece and a $10 piece and a $20 piece and even 50. Do you think there's a $100 piece out there too? Yes, you guessed it. That is exactly right. But that's a little bit harder to put into piggy bank, right? I think this one's more for coins. So let's start painting the piggy bank, right? Let me get my paintbrush here. I'm going to paint my piggy bank green. So let me take the color here, green, put it in my palette. There we go. And let's start. I love the color of green. Da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. Bum-ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-bum-bum-bum. Now I'm going to write my name. No. And O. A. And H. Oh, hi, Olivia. Are you feeling better?
Not really, but I was just wanted to see what you're doing.
Say hi to the kids.
Oh, hi everyone.
I'm showing them how to paint a piggy bank and what a piggy bank does.
Oh, a piggy bank? I thought you were doing a craft without me.
Well, I did, but I wanted to show them how to do a piggy bank so the kids, when they save up money, what to do with the money when they get it.
Oh, that's so great that you are teaching them to save money. But you're not doing a craft without me because look, I already have that.
Do you have a piggy bank too?
Yep, I do. It's right here. Ha!
Whoa! That's way bigger than mine.
Yeah, I love my piggy bank. Okay, enjoy your craft and learning about money, guys. I'm gonna go back to bed. Bye.
Olivia? Olivia just left. I didn't even show her my whole piggy bank. Do you kids want to see it? Yes? Well, look at this. Here's one side. Here's the front side. Do you like those sunglasses? Pretty cool, huh? It's the rock and roll piggy bank. And then, of course, so everybody knows, it says my name, Noah. And on Olivia's, it says Olivia too. But oh my God, is this big? What does she want to collect in that? How much money? You know what? I have a special surprise for you. Hold on, one moment. Ha! I have another one. Let me put that there. I have two. Now we can put Olivia's piggy bank to the side, and then we can put this right there. Ha! We have three. Oh, hey, Fluffy. Here, let me move over a little bit. Look, Fluffy, I made a piggy bank just for you. Because your name's Fluffy, I made a piggy bank with fluffy circles on them. Should we count those? So, let's count the yellow ones. We have 1, 2, 3 yellow dots. 3 yellow fluffy circles. And now let's count the blue ones. That's 1, 2, 3. Did you count those too? What about, let's count the orange ones. That's 1, 2, that's all. Just 2. Okay. Well, let's go on to the purple. The purple are 1, 2, 3. Wow, we did that pretty good, didn't we? Did we miss any? Let's see. We did the yellow ones. We did the blue ones. We did the orange ones. The purple ones. Did we do the green ones? I can't remember. Well, let's do those again, right? Okay, so green is what? Just one? Looks like we just have one. Oh well, just like we have one green piggy bank, we have one green circle. So kids, I think that's it for today. Why don't you make your own piggy banks, take a picture, and send that to us? Does that sound good, Fluffy? Well, I think that's it then. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time. Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!